journey, na, what comes to your mind first?
Train journey means eating a lot of good food.
Correct.
Okay, which means tamarind rice, curd rice, marinated idli with mulaga pudi,
Yum.
chapati with aloo curry and takali tokku, tomato chutney.
Correct.
I just love it.
Aloo curry, takali chutney, tomato chutney. That is the unforgettable combo. And we usually fight right in the train, Pooja, with your brother and other people who are in the train, family members, for the one chapati and that.
I don't fight because I finish eating before others.
So Raghu, today it's all about that train journey and nostalgia. I'm going to show how to make this super delicious takali tokku. That is the tomato tokku.
It's a must do, at least once in a month or so you should do it.
Yeah.
You can enjoy it for the next 4-5 days. You can store it in fridge. You can just enjoy it over the next few days.
I got a kilo of tomatoes just to make this so that it will be, it will be helpful for the coming week also.
The
I can
best
relax.
part is it goes with everything.
Correct.
It goes with idli, dosa, chapati,
bread,
rice. It goes with everything.
So many options. We'll talk to them more about this, but first I want to show how to make this super delicious takali tokku. Come to my kitchen. Welcome to MasterChef Mom. So I've got all my ingredients ready. I've got 1 kilo of tomatoes, sesame oil, Kashmiri chili powder, this is brown sugar, ginger garlic paste, fenugreek seeds, then I have taken turmeric powder and salt. Now let's start making this delicious tokku. First I am chopping the tomatoes. That's it, our tomatoes are now ready. Now heat a kadai, add sesame oil, now add mustard seeds. Now add the fenugreek seeds. If you want, you can even add fenugreek powder along with Kashmiri chili powder. But I am adding fenugreek seeds. Once the mustard seed splutters, add the chopped tomatoes. Here, if you want, first you can add ginger garlic paste after the mustard seeds splutter. Instead, what I am doing is I am just making a small well and I am going to add the ginger garlic paste there. So this avoids the spluttering of the ginger garlic paste, but you can always add it after the mustard seeds splutter. So I am mixing it in the tomato juice. Just allow it to cook for 30 to 40 seconds and then you can mix the tomatoes. Now in that itself, you can see the juice is oozing out. So before mixing, I am adding turmeric powder. I am adding Kashmiri chili powder. So the spice levels you adjust according to your taste, but I add around 2.5 to 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Next I am adding salt. Mix it. Now you mix the tomatoes. So I have kept the gas in medium flame right now. Once I mix the tomatoes well, I will move it to low flame. The important tip here is use ripe tomatoes. So when you use ripe tomatoes and juicy tomatoes, the tokku will taste even better. So I mixed it well. Now I am adding sugar, brown sugar I am adding. You can add regular sugar also, or you can even use jaggery powder and mix this. I am just adding 1/4 teaspoon. This balances the taste, so don't avoid adding it. Now just mix it. Now all we need to do is keep mixing every 3 to 5 minutes. We have to keep mixing it so that and lightly press the tomatoes so that the juice oozes out and the tokku tastes even better. So this occasional stirring and lightly gently pressing it is important. So the tokku takes a while to cook. So you can already see how juicy it is. The juice has started releasing from the tomatoes and looks so good. This is after 10 minutes. The best part is, even at this stage you can serve this as a side dish to any tiffin. So it's been around 50 minutes and you can see all the extra water is absorbed, and now I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil as the final touch. See, little more than a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then mix it well for just 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. And our delicious tomato tokku is now ready. Tomato tokku is completely cooled and I am going to bottle it. I have taken an odor free, clean, dry bottle and I am adding a teaspoon of sesame oil. This is very important for longer shelf life. So now spread the oil like this so that the walls of the bottle are also coated with sesame oil. Now transfer the tokku inside the bottle. So the initial amount of sesame oil which I have given, you can divide that for adding the final touches to the tokku. You can divide the amount of oil. So now our delicious tomato tokku is now bottled and ready for use. So Raghu, Takkali tokku is ready. Taste and tell. I already tasted some.
Just going to taste. Amazing. I love the tomato tanginess. The spice levels are really good. This has to be mildly spicy here. Don't make it less spicy, then you can't enjoy it. It has to be at least mildly spicy. The best part is you don't feel the oil. Oil is really got completely merged into the
Actually,
tomato.
that's the beauty, Raghu. It's sesame oil, and for this tokku, sesame oil goes really well with the tomatoes. That's why you don't feel it also. It's like a pickle also. It's also like a chutney. So it's a mix of both.
It's amazing. In fact, I'll give you one personal hack of mine. No? Suppose you are having, say, pulao, biryani, or some kind of mixed rice, and you feel like having raita along with it. A normal hack is, if this takali tokku or takali tomato chutney is available, just put a little, add a little curd to it. Your tomato raita is ready.
Yeah, we can call this instant achari raita.
Raita. Amazing.
Yeah.
So guys, please do try this takali tokku, tomato chutney, tomato tokku at the earliest and give your feedback to Uma.
I'm sure you're going to get loads of compliments. Also, you'll be so relieved of so much of work also. Like, this is there handy, the meal is ready in minutes. So do try out and share your feedback. We'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.
Bye.
Do like, comment and subscribe to MasterChef Mom. Also, share this video with all your friends and family. See you. Bye.